Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make German potato soup. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes, peeled and diced into 1-inch pieces. Also, have 4 cups of good quality chicken or vegetable broth ready. Don't forget 1/2 cup of chopped bacon or pancetta for that authentic flavor. A medium onion, finely diced, and 2 stalks of celery, also diced, will add depth. Now let's get cooking. In a large pot, cook your chopped bacon or pancetta over medium heat until it's nice and crispy. Remove the bacon and set it aside, leaving about 2 tablespoons of the delicious fat in the pot. Add your diced onions and celery to the pot and sauté them for about 5 minutes until they soften. Then, add the diced potatoes and pour in the 4 cups of broth. Bring it to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Once the potatoes are tender, it's time to create that creamy texture. Using a potato masher, mash about 1/3 of the potatoes directly in the pot. This helps thicken the soup naturally. Next, stir in 1/2 cup of heavy cream to add a luxurious richness. Taste and adjust your seasonings, adding salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. A sprinkle of fresh, chopped parsley at this stage really brightens the flavors. To serve, ladle the warm, comforting German potato soup into bowls. Garnish each serving with the crispy bacon you set aside earlier. A sprinkle of fresh chives or more parsley also works wonderfully. This soup is perfect on its own or served with a slice of crusty bread for dipping. It's a hearty and satisfying meal that's sure to please. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.